Hello, this is Jonathan Johnson here again today with you guys. Today we're doing activity 8-3, manually creating a DNS host address, a resource records. So first step be to log in your server, of course, which you've already logged in, and we're already into the DNS manager. So if you haven't already logged in, open the DNS tool, open it up. Now, and then we're gonna first step. Let's go over the objective. The objective is to create a host address, a a resource record. Description: in this activity, you learn how to configure a host address, a resource record, and a forward lookup zone. Obtain the name of a host computer and its IP address from your instructor. Okay, so we're double click forward lookup zones in the tree under the server's name. So, right here, we're going to double click forward lookup zones. Alright, and now we're going to double click the domain name such as jpcomp.com, which would be right here. So we open that up. Notice there is already a host A record for your server in the right pane. Host A, right here, there's two of them. Okay. We're going to click the action menu up top on the taskbar up top. It brings down. Now, what are the options in this menu? Record your answers. So the options in the menu for the drop down are we can create a new host, A or AAAA, or create a new alias, a CNAME, a new mail exchanger, a new domain, a new delegation to delegate records and whatnot. Other new records are the options we can use to create things on this folder. But for this activity, we're going to click new host, A or AAAA. Alright, so now we got that. We're going to enter the name of the host computer. So, which would be computer 1. Computer 1 and its IP address, which is what we entered in the last one, which is 129.70.10.50 in the new host dialog box. Okay. Now we got that. We're going to check the box to create associated pointer, PTR. We're going to check that. Note that the reverse lookup zone must be created first. So if you haven't created the reverse lookup zone in the activity 8-2, you must create that before you create a forward lookup zone. And also create manual DNS record host addresses, my bad, I'm sorry. Alright, so now we got that. We're going to click add host. With the warning, the associated pointer records cannot be created, probably because the reference reverse lookup zone cannot be found. Did I name it wrong? Let's see here. Name. Okay, so we also have to check allow any authenticated user to update the DNS record with the same owner name. So let's check that. Now it's giving us the same, but it keeps creating it right here. Okay, click OK when you see the message box that your host record was successfully created, and click Done. I seen that box when I was practicing it, but I guess you can only create one of the same name. But here's the one I just created. It's right here. Alright, let's take a look in here. So computer 1, like we had typed in, IP address, same thing as reverse lookup zone, except it's not reversed, and it's the full one, 129.70.10.50, and over here on reverse lookup, it's 129.70. Update your associated pointer is checked like we did. Security. Special permissions is allowed. Full control is not. Read is not. Write is not. The group or usernames: self, DNS admins, administrator, enterprise admins, administrators, pre-Windows 2000 compatible, enterprise domain controllers. Okay. See, I created it already. It's right there. I can go into it. That's just weird. Why I couldn't create a third one? I created those. Also, when we checked the box to allow any authenticated users to update DNS records with the same owner name for computers running Windows 2000, XP Vista 7, Server 2003, and Server 2008, that can update in coordination with DHCP. This option also ensures security because it associates an ACL with the record. Okay, well, that's all I have for you on this video. I hope you have a nice day and see me in the future videos. Thank you, and bye-bye.